Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 2 for the month of February of 2024. And our challenge is called I Love Love. So the theme is to scrapbook a memory about things that you love, all right? Or people that you love, or animals that you love, or gardening that you love. We're going to start off here with a 12 by 12 daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart. Then I trimmed this green colored paper, cardstock paper, 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. And we have the darker side. How is everyone doing on this Monday? I hope well. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below in the description box. All right, now I'm going to bring in this pattern paper that was in my kit, and I trimmed this one 5.5 by 11. And my thought, by the 1 inch mark. So I'm going in 1 inch, and I trimmed the edge with charcoal ink from Close to My Heart. I trimmed the edge. I inked the edge with charcoal ink from Close to My Heart right here. And I did that with all my paper. Next layer is this 6 by 6 paper that came from an older 6 by 6 paper pad, and I need my T ruler, and I'm going to decide where I want to place it. So from the bottom edge up, I'm going 3.5 inches. Yeah, I like that. But before we do that, I think I want to stamp on the background using this butterfly stamp. So let me ink that up, and I want to have it peeking out over here on the right-hand side. And I like to bend it so I don't get any square edges. There we go. So just a little bit of visual interest right there. Then next is the photograph. So this is a photograph of my daughter-in-law 5 or 4 years ago, somewhere 4 to 5 years ago. And I am matting it on, again, a paper that was in with my 6 by 6 sizes, which came from a paper pad. And this is 5 3/4 by 4 1/4. And again, I inked the edges using the charcoal ink from Close to My Heart. We're going to take this down. Oh, on the back it said 2014. So guess what? This photograph is almost 10 years old. That means when this was taken, my son and her were just dating at the time. Now, I thought about adding this branding strip, which I think I will. There we go. And I'll finish securing the corners down, but I'm going to tuck in some embellishments. For embellishments, what I have here on my desk, and I don't know if I want to go here because I think I might want the title. Maybe I need to get that out and decide if I want to use this sticker sheet that was in the kit, and it's from Close to My Heart, and I want to use, I think, Cherish Always, and I need to decide where I want that. So let's move that over. If I want it over here, do I want it right underneath? I put this Jeep in here because at one time they used to have a Jeep and they used to go mudding. And so that's why I put the Jeep in. It somewhat represents. Now this tag, oh, I have ink on myself. I'm going to ruin it. It says name, date, and place. I might leave it like that. I have this black scrap paper, And I can use either side. I'm thinking this side, and it says beautiful, lovely. And again, just using that black paper to accent her glasses. I'm going to pause the video for a moment, and I'm going to secure this stuff down. But you know what? Before I do that, I want to add some gloss spray from Dana Wakley. So this is called medium gloss spray. It's glossy acrylic spray in black, but I don't want the black to get on here. I can kind of cover this up, so maybe I need to do my splatters. Right, I've shaken the bottle, if that's proper English, of the medium gloss spray, and now I'm going to add some splatters. Okay, we'll leave it for that. We'll let that dry. And I will secure the rest of, oops, and looks like I just did a boo-boo. So now I've got to cover that up, don't I? Darn. Okay, we'll think of something while I pause the video. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I've glued everything down. The glue is still wet right in here. The glasses, this acrylic heart glasses, I tucked it up here. You can barely tell it's a heart, but I like it because then it brings the black points and the dots. It ties it all together is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm struggling. All right, so remember, I've got to cover up this mistake here. So I was looking at the close to my heart sticker sheet, and I think this leaf will work. And I think I can tuck it under the paper like that. And I think, all right, it'll be okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I could tie something over here, or from the sticker sheet, to elongate this area instead of it just being too heavy right across here, I can add this sticker sheet in. See how that elongates this instead of it just being all solid and very heavy right here? And then those subtle black splatters. And I can journal right in here. I am very pleased how this layout turned out. Now I want you to get out your scrappy supplies and your photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And again, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel and our Facebook group, and we would love for you to play along. And it's as easy as just snapping a photograph of your layout and uploading it over there to our February 2024 album. So just get the message out there. I want to keep building up my channel just to inspire people that you and I may not know, and you, to scrapbook those memories. All right, give that thumbs up, hit that bell notification button, keep coming back, and enjoy scrapbooking those memories. Bye.